How's it going, guys? Lock picking coal miner here. I was going to try a lock that Bill Bacardi sent me. It's a 700 series American lock. I've never picked one, so that thing feels like a beast. There's the bidding on the key. Can you see it? Yeah. I ain't been making too many videos here lately. I've been trying to make a lot of picks, trying to get them sent out, so hopefully I'll be making more picking videos as soon as I get caught up. Let me see if I can get it in here where everybody can see it. Get to it where I can pick to it without breathing right into mic. Try this pick I made, and a little pick 18 thousandths. Yeah, I don't pick American locks much, so let's see what we got. Start in the back, see if I find anything binding. I forgot, how many pins is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 5 pinner. Let me start top the keyway, try it again. Start in the back, see if I can find something binding. These locks are pretty tough, the American locks. Usually try to go one click at a time. Light tension. Usually if it feels like it's binding and it don't push up as soon as I touch it, or I usually try to move on to keep from oversetting 100 times. 1, 2, 3, click on 3. It feels like 3 could use another click. Let's go to the next one. 2, little click. 3, 5, give me a little click, I believe, and a little turn on the core. I'll leave it. Come back to 2, I think. 2, little click. 1 feels way up high. 3 feels solid. 4. Might already over. Might be a little counter. No. 2, little click. Might already overset something. I don't know. Let me run through and check them. Got a little turn on the core barely. About ready to lose my tension wrench. I believe it's 4, 3, 4 again. Oh, I think we got it open. We did. All right, guys. See if I can get it up without losing it. All right. We'll lock it back up. Since I ain't never gutted one of these, I'll try to gut it. That's a pretty tough lock, so. Check the key out. That's a nice lock, oh. 4-way. Find my screwdriver. If I can find something that'll fit it. Maybe. I didn't know I was going to be doing a video, so. Man. That baby's in there tight. shot, and I'll leave some pictures at the end, guys. So, American lock 700 by Bill Bacardi sent me. Pretty tough lock. If y'all ain't checked out Bill, y'all need to go check him out. Really awesome lock picker and a challenge lock maker. So, guys, I just wanted to share it with you. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing safe. Thanks for watching.